everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make a watermark in Canva. So right now we are here on the home page. We're going to go to the search bar and type in watermark. And we're going to click on See All to view a lot more templates. And here we are. We have so many templates to choose from. Some of them, however, require you to purchase them or require you to have a Canva subscription before you can use them. But no worries, there are many templates here that are completely for free. You'll find out that they're free because they don't have this crown watermark right here. So if it has this crown watermark and it says Pro, that means you're gonna have to purchase it or have a Canva subscription for you to use it. And we're just gonna go ahead and choose something random because we're gonna modify it later. So we're gonna customize this specific template. Let's wait for it to load up. And here it is. In case you'd like to change your template, you can do that here on the side panel. Scroll down to find whatever templates or designs you'd like. Okay, we're going to close that and we're going to start designing. So we're going to change the texts right here. Change it to whatever text you like. By the way, if you have a blank page, in order to add a text box easily, just press T on your keyboard and a text box will automatically appear. Okay, we already have a text box here, so we're just going to delete this sample and then we're going to make use of this one. So in this case, we're going to try to input text over here. I'd like to remove this circle and replace it with another element later on, but we're going to start with this. We're going to duplicate it. And you can actually change the font style of your text by selecting it and by going to the font selection tool on the toolbar above. We can also turn our text into all caps by pressing on this icon right here. Let's turn it all to uppercase. And there we have it. We're just gonna align everything neatly. And if we need to zoom in, we can do that by toggling the slider over here. We're gonna select them all and we're gonna position them properly to make sure they're properly aligned. There. And we can also change its colors. So let's click on it. And let's click on this button right over here. And we can also add some effects to our texts. So say for example, let's select this text, go to the effects button on the toolbar above, and the side panel will appear over here. And from there, you'll be able to find different types of effects you can apply to your text. Try them out and see which one you like. You can also choose to curve it if you like. The more you slide to the left, the more your text will be curved. By the way, instead of toggling this slider over here, you can also manually input values over here to make it easier. In this case, I don't think I need to put any text effects to it, and I think I'm happy with how it looks. So we're just gonna add some designs to it to make it look a bit more interesting. So in order to add elements to it, we're going to go to the Elements button on the left and type in whatever element you're looking for. And basically just arrange and change elements until you become happy with your design. To place an element to the very front or forward, you can click on it, click on position, and then select forward to forward it, or to front to automatically add it to the front. Okay, and I think I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It's just basically very simple. So we're gonna go ahead and download it. So we're gonna click on the share button on the upper right, click on download. For the file type, you can select whatever you want, but PNG is the suggested or the preferred file type. And it's also the best file type in case you'd like to have a transparent background for your design. So since we're going to turn it into a watermark, it'll be best to set it to transparent background. But unfortunately, this feature is only available for those with Canva subscriptions. In case you don't have one, no worries. You can always avail for their trial version. So we're going to click on download. And then we're going to go to our desired location and save it there. Rename your file however you like. So now we're going to try to use the watermark that we just created. And since this is just an example, we're just going to stay on the same page for now. So let's scroll down and click on Add Page. And now we have a brand new blank page. We're going to try to insert random images over here. So just say, for example, this one. And we're going to click on Upload Files to upload the watermark that we just created earlier. And here it is. So we're going to click on it, or we can also drag it into place. And there it is. We can adjust it however we want. And we can also set its transparency. So to do that, make sure it's selected. Go to this button right here on the toolbar and then adjust its transparency over there. Let's try to create another example. Let's look for images to set as an example here. Then we're going to drag our watermark. And then we are going to resize it and position it accordingly. And then we can adjust its transparency. And there you go. That's how you create a watermark in Canva. We hope you found today's video of help. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Thank you once again, and you have a great day.